Man, I hope y'all had as good a day as I did today. If you're new to the channel, my name's Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. And if you want to learn how to trade stocks, crypto, invest, and without someone trying to sell you something, make sure hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Now, if you want to really get into this, I do have the crypto and stock portfolios now open. Go over to tradebynumbers.org, check out the videos, see if that makes sense for you, and remember, I've set these up to be able to pay you for learning. So see if it works out for you, see if it's something that you'd like to get into. Let's get into the charts and get into the market today. I said this morning that I was looking for the market to give us that reversal that we've been waiting for. I said definitely don't start thinking this is the bull cycle until we get confirmation, get that close above 4,000. Well, we got the breakdown today that we were anticipating. Looking at the SPY here, we ended up closing at 330 or 391.49. I'm sorry. So we got a nice breakdown. We did not get under 390, which is kind of the target I'm really looking for it to break under. I think if we get under that 390, then we can go down to that 380 pretty easy, which is kind of that next real target area I'm looking for. We just got to get under that little bit of a resistance or a little bit of a support level at the 390 in order to come on down to that. Now, I said this morning that I'm actually looking forward to this pullback. Now, it's not because I want to see anyone's trading accounts going down or anyone's portfolios going down. I just love the cheaper prices. I love seeing the market pull back, being able to get these cheaper prices to trade on. So I hope you've been out there trading. I hope you've been following along. I hope you've been making a ton of money with this. Let's talk about what the market did today. So ended up coming down on the S&P 1.58%, Dow Jones down 1.81%, and the Nasdaq down 1.24%. So the Nasdaq actually held up better than any, and the Dow Jones took the biggest hit for the day. Most of my watch list ended up in the red. We end up with crypto coming down just a little, not much, but pulled back just a hair. Now, with that being said, if you're on the Discord, you'll see that I called out ticker symbol SI. That was Silvergate Bank. They reported earnings yesterday. They missed massively, and yet they ran up pretty good yesterday. Now, they came back down, but I was definitely looking to see them fall off today. So I did call out that I was buying some puts, and man, did we make bank on them. Silvergate did. It collapsed down massively today, getting all the way down to $11.90. I bought some puts when they were up over $13.50. And we made over 86% on that trade. I know some other people, we was talking about some different put options that could have been bought. If you'd have nailed it just right, you could have actually made over 200% today on that trade. If you did, congratulations to you. Leave it in the comments. I'd love to hear if you were playing that, what your percentage win was on that trade. But absolutely massive there, so really happy with that. And like I said, just overall happy to start to see that pullback. We still don't have confirmation that it's coming down. Like I said, I really would like to see a close below that 390 on the SPY or under that 3900 on the SPX. And if we could get that, then I definitely believe we'll come on down and touch that 380. And ultimately, I do feel that we could go all the way down to about that 3600. I would love to see it hit that 3600, and before anybody throws stones at me, I would love to see it hit that 3600, because if we could get that retest to the low and get a bounce off that, then I could see us going into a bull cycle and seeing this market really rally, and the sky's the limit from there. If we could get that retest to the low, I think a lot of confidence will come into the market. And I think that everyone that has been holding out to buy will have picked up at that point, institutional investors included. And if we can get that, then I do think the next bull cycle could come in, maybe along April or May, as long as everything's going decent in the economy. and then we could really see this market start to explode. So I hope you're out there trading. I hope you're getting yourself positioned for what you need to do to make serious money in this upcoming bull cycle we're going to have. All this volatility has made it a just blessing for being able to come out here and day trade, swing trade. Lots of money being made. If you want to be a part of that, come over, join the Discords, get yourself into this, and learn how for just a few dollars a day you can take and start learning how to set yourself up for life. Remember, this isn't you paying me for information. This is you paying to get started in investing, because this is all going to pay you back at the end. I hope you enjoy that. Let me know in the comment what your biggest winner of the day was, and I'm going to cut it off right there. Join me in the morning before the bell. We'll go over the stock market. We'll see what kind of plays we can get set up. Until then, be blessed, and remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.